Each document is given a contract perfection score, reflecting its comprehensiveness based on critical legal parameters. Notice the score next to each contract? That's the level of completeness assessed by Legaliser's advanced AI. Need to download your contract for review? Click here. Or to remove it, simply hit the delete button. Remember, your document security and control are always in your hands. Clicking on the contract name takes us to a detailed breakdown of its contents. Here in the Insight panel, Legaliser's AI has pre-analyzed the document, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. Under the Summary tab, each key aspect of your contract is evaluated. This intuitive overview speeds up the review process, guiding you to what matters most. Let's look at dispute resolution. Legaliser points out the existing provisions and suggests what could be added for a robust agreement. For instance, while the contract outlines standard procedures, it might lack alternative dispute mechanisms, which are crucial for avoiding court battles. In Parties Involved, we check the identification clarity of each entity. An incomplete section here can lead to ambiguity and potential legal challenges. The analysis flags any missing details, ensuring you don't overlook essential information. Now, the confidentiality and non-disclosure section. Here, our tool has given a green score, signaling a well-drafted clause that protects your interests. Each aspect, from confidentiality to intellectual property, is scrutinized for completeness. Moving to contract terms, we'll see how well the services, terms, and obligations are defined. Legaliser's review ensures that essential terms are not just present, but also clearly articulated. Finally, payment and compensation. This critical section is thoroughly examined for clarity on payment structures and schedules. Here we see the payment terms. Legaliser highlights any gaps, such as missing payment amounts or unclear terms, to ensure your contract is fair and enforceable.